Hello there, my name is Edosa Agabai and you're welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I want to teach you how to remove watermark from your Inshot video project. I want to teach you how to remove the Inshot watermark so that people don't get to really know the exact application that you use in creating your video project, right? So that it looks really cool and professional. So let's head straight to our Inshot mobile app right away. Okay, I'm just going to click on the Inshot. This tutorial is actually less than 5 minutes. So I'm just going to click on my Inshot. Now I'm here. This is how the interface, the UI UX design looks like. So I'm just going to click on video and then click on new. I'll try to create a new project so you see how it actually works. So I'm going to click on, let's see, I have a project that I've already done. Let me see. I'm just going to click on this one. That's a project that I did using a particular tool, which I'll be giving you a tutorial on. And let me also reduce the volume. All right, let me reduce the volume so you see. So let me play it and run it through. Now, this is what we actually have. You can see that is actually a tutorial I'll be teaching you some other time. Okay, but let me just show you what we really want to do here, which is to take out Inshot watermark. All right, so I'm just going to pick my brush tool and I'll click on that star sign, the star sign there. Just click on it. Click on the star sign and you see Inshot Pro, access to all premium filters, effects, stickers, fonts, no watermark, no ad. It's really cool if you can purchase the Inshot Pro, or to remove permanently you pay in a local currency here in Nigeria. That's 1,080 naira. That's about $3. Then you can actually do free remove. So I'm going to be using the free remove version. So, but the thing is, when you click on the free remove, what's going to happen is that they are going to serve you an advertisement, and you have to watch that ad. Is that for some seconds? Okay, after watching, then the Inshot watermark automatically disappears. So let's see. Click on free remove and it's just going to load for a little while. And while it's doing that, advert is gone, and you can see that the watermark has actually disappeared as well. So that is how Inshot, removing watermark from Inshot actually works. And if you play through, you see that the watermark is actually not there. Then you can now save your project, and you can choose the best version for yourself. So 512p recommended, but I'm not going to be saving this project because I already have it on my device. So that's the tutorial for today. Kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out on any tutorial as we give it to you on a weekly basis. My name is Edosa and I'll see you again some other time. So bye bye from me.